Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Squid Industries Triton. Alright, so here we have the box. Very nice and shiny. Ching, ching. Alright, this is the top of the box. Back of the box. If I can get that. So this is an Inked Series Triton, red, barcode, numbers, and a squiggly, very important. Front of the box, very cool reflective logo as well. And then on this side, we got some of the website information and social media stuff. If you're into that social media. And on the bottom, of course, I'm not going to keep the box. Please recycle. Save a turtle. So I guess one could say that I'm kind of a Squid Industries fanboy, per se. That's all I really know, honestly. First quality trainer I ever bought was a Nautilus here, and I kind of modded it out with some titanium hardware, screws, and pivots. So again, this is my daily flipper that I'm learning on. Basically been doing this for flipping for about a month or so. So as you can see, I treat them very well. So that being said, this is the second Squid Industries I bought. Just for fun, I like them. Quality stuff. Enough of me rambling on. Let's get in the box and see what we got here. Inside the box, we got a nice little sleeve bag for Titan. This little crunchy top there so it doesn't slip out. Alright, we got this little sticker there. Always fun to stick that stuff around. And then looks like that's maintenance tips and warranty information there. Alright, side. What else we got in here? Some nice little cushioning here. Use this for some soundproofing or something. Stick that up on the wall. And that's it. So we'll get this out of the way here. Get to the meat and potatoes. As they say, whatever they are. Alright. Alright. And there she blows. So this is the Triton. It's the red inked version, as I said, from the box. Very, very cool. Favorite color combo is black and red, so this is right up my alley. Standard hardware. This is not tie modded. This just comes standard. Most of all the Tritons you can get. Specific specs, all that kind of stuff, pricing, go check out the website. Got all the fun specs, length, all that kind of stuff. Basically, this is a channel design. I believe these are ball bearings. The Nautilus is bushing. So let's check with play here. Not too bad. Don't hear any clinking or any rub in there, so that's always a good start to the day. See if there's any of that. Nope. Right by the microphone, nothing clickety clackety coming out of there, so that's always good. It's latchless, which can be beneficial, good and bad. I have to find a way to mark the bite handle side as I'm a beginner here. I figure out where all the tricks and all that stuff land. Might be good to know which side, so I don't get any bad habits right away. Alright, let's see. And there it is open. Nice black blade, the ink blade. Supposed to make it more resilient, which I definitely need being a beginner. Don't want to bend in or chip in too bad. I did some pretty good drops on my Nautilus, and I got some bends and all that kind of stuff, but no rub yet, nothing like that. Good quality stuff. Alright. See, I'm gonna... It's a little bit... It's got a nice little ring to it, like a tuning fork. Definitely a little bit louder than the Nautilus, which the girlfriend's not gonna like too much, but she'll get over it. Use the soundproofing from the box here, maybe that'll quiet it down a little bit. Alright. So that's it. This is the Triton Inked. One last thing we'll try here. We'll see how this comes down. See if I can show that. Nice good play. No stiff handle on that side. Same thing on this side. One last thing. This thing's come out of the box pretty good, ready to go. At least my Nautilus did. And I started messing around with it. It got some, you know, got it back to pretty good now, but these things come pretty good out of the box. I wouldn't... Up to you, your knife, or your trainer, but these things come out of the box ready to go. Maybe you want a little bit of lube up there, but I can already kind of see some residue where it comes pre-lubed. So again, have some fun with this today. This is going to be the afternoon right here. Alright. There it is. Thank you very much. Latest.